Alright guys, so in this video, I'm going to go ahead and walk you through step by step on how you can be able to hit $315 today. As you can see right over here, this is the result of using the CPA self-converter method to properly demonstrate the offer to your traffic source. I'm going to show you the live setup in 30 seconds, but you have to follow the steps exactly or your account will get banned because we are dealing with high-paying offers here. So comment CPA money glitch in the comment section right now so I know you are ready to learn this secret. Now, I'm going to first of all walk you through how to get the high converting pin submit offer that is paying $10.05. After that, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to set up the system, which is the CPA self-converter method. And then I will also go ahead and show you exactly how you can be able to get active user agent so you can view this offer exactly how your mobile audience will see it. Okay, so right over here, I'm going to come down over here and I'm going to come over to offer tools where I can actually be able to select the offer from the specific country. Okay, so if I click on it right now, basically you are going to be taken straight to this dashboard where you are going to come over to the category section. Over here, I will select United States. So if I select United States right over here, I'll come over to the category and specify which of the offer that I would prefer to use. So in this case, we are not doing email submit, we are targeting pin submit. Now, if I come over here, you are going to now see that I have various list of offers that are actually available for this particular country. So the next thing I'm going to do is to come down here and I'll look at the payout section. I'm looking for the one that is paying specifically $10.05. Okay, right over here, look at this one. This is a pin submit offer and you can see the amount that's going to be paid out is $10.05 if you go ahead and complete this particular task successfully. And the reason why we are using the CPA self-converter method is because if you promote this particular offer, providing organic traffic, you need to know exactly how the landing page looks on a mobile phone so you can guide your audience to enter their PIN number. If they don't enter the PIN, you don't get the $10.05. It is as simple as that. Okay, so that if that is said, we are going to now go ahead and create a simple landing page where we are going to house or host this particular PIN submit offer. Alright, so I'll come over here, click on this offer paying $10.05 and then I'll copy the link of this particular one. So network is delaying a little bit. So let me come over here and open a new tab and I'm going to open Google site, okay, because I need to go ahead and create a simple landing page. You don't want to direct link these guys. If you direct link, the network might ban you. So I'm using Google site because it is simple, 100% free. You can also go ahead and use it on your mobile phone. So what you just need to do is just to go ahead and create a simple landing page like this and then paste the link of that pin submit offer. Okay, after you finish doing that, then the next thing you are going to do is to publish the site. Just like the way you see this particular offer embedded here, that's exactly how you're going to go ahead and embed it. After that, you move on straight to the next part where you are basically going to be setting up the system. Okay, so that you can be able to implement the CPA self-converter method effectively. So one thing you understand is that the CPA self-converter method is a method that I personally use to check how my CPA offer will be shown to my audience on their phone or PC, and I use it to run the conversion to demonstrate the process of how to fill the form so that my traffic audience will understand the process and give me conversion very, very quick. So we're going to now move on straight to setting up the tool. Alright guys, so before we go ahead and set up the tool, in case if you are overwhelmed and you really want a mini course, okay, I've made a separate course, okay, and you can check the video description, go ahead and click on it and it's going to direct you to the mini course where you can actually look at how to get these user agents, because you cannot just use any random user agent. You need a specific one for this pin submit offer. So now in setting up the system and getting the user agent that is going to do the job for you, then the first thing you need to do is to create a profile and give the profile a name. Come down right over here and select the type of browser. For this $10.05 offer, we want to target mobile users. So you are not going to select Chrome desktop, you are going to configure it for mobile. I've made a detailed video on all of these in the mini course. All you need is just to go ahead and click the link below. But then what is most important in this particular process is how do you get active user agents that will work for you. So ordinarily, if I toggle this button, you are going to see that it automatically generates a user agent. But I don't like using this one because this one does not actually show me the mobile view correctly. So I'm going to come over here and select just one option here. After that, I will now come over here. I'm going to go ahead and copy the user agent that I have and bring it right over here. Then if you come down right over here, make sure that the cookie is also empty. And if you come right over to the remarks section, it is also empty. Now let's come back to the connection. This is very important, guys. If you mess this up, the CPA self-converter method will not work. Use HTTP protocol. If you come down over here, you are going to see that the network is accurately connected. So I'm going to leave it that way. And then depending on the network you are connecting to, if the username, if it requires username to actually authenticate the network, you are going to go ahead and put the username and the password. Most of the options will be given to you by the user agent you have already copied. Okay, let me show you. So if you come right over here, you can see that I have different string of user agents right over here. For this $10.05 offer, we need an Android device string. So I have Samsung Galaxy S22 5G right here. So I'm going to copy this one and then come right over to the system and paste the user agent. So I'm going to come over here and click on Ctrl V on the keyboard, and that is automatically going to paste the string of that user agent. So this user agent automatically has its own device and the operating system. You can see it's Linux, you can see Android 13. So either you type the name of the phone or you use the string, it's all the same thing, you are still going to get the same result. Then if you come down here, click on OK. Before that, make sure that your webcam is replaced, and then you are going to make sure that it's not disabled and click on OK. So after that, you proceed to how to actually promote the CPA offer itself using the CPA self-converter method. Okay, alright, so we're going to be demonstrating with this particular pin submit offer. So I'm going to copy the link from my Google site landing page. Basically, the process is actually to come to the system and paste the link right over here. So after placing it, I enter key, and once the offer comes up, okay, I'm going to proceed to go ahead and provide the information. Okay, so as you can see right over here, now the offer is up right now. And because we use the correct user agent, it is showing the mobile version of the page. If you use a desktop agent, this will not convert. So I'm going to go ahead and walk you through the step-by-step process on how to fill it up. So basically, I'm going to toggle, because this software, you can see that the device is Android device, okay? So I'm going to come over here and toggle this button so I can be able to see the view very well. Now, for a pin submit offer, it is different from email submit. You need to enter a valid mobile number. So I'm going to come over here and paste the phone number that I'm going to be using, and I'm going to click on the continue button or subscribe button. How to get a valid phone number for the pin submit to convert is in the mini course. So once I click on that button, it's going to go ahead and proceed if the number is accepted. Okay, now let's give it a little time. So as you can see right now, it is asking for the PIN code. This is where the money is, guys. If you don't complete this step, you don't get the $10.05. So you need to wait for the SMS to arrive on the phone number you provided. So basically, what we need to do is to fill up this code box. Okay, now the information you need basically is very crucial. You need to make sure the network on the phone matches the offer network. So behind the scene, I'm going to go ahead and enter the PIN code I just received, and I will come back to show you if this offer converted. Okay, alright, so I am done entering the PIN code right now. So before I go ahead and check if the offer has converted, first of all, let me give you an explanation, okay? Now, if you want to understand how to get these numbers and how to automate this process so you can show your audience exactly how to do it, I've made a separate mini course. You can check out the landing page below this video in order for you to get access to it. Now, you are going to come over here and click on the confirm button. Alright guys, so once you see the thank you page or the success message like this means that the process has been completed. So what we are going to do right now is to go ahead and check our dashboard and see if the offer has successfully been completed. Alright guys, so as you can see right over here, this is $10.05 added to the balance. So the offer converted successfully. This means the CPA self-converter method is working perfectly. So what we're going to do next is to go ahead and scale this up. We can repeat this process to generate organic traffic because now we have the video proof to show our audience how to unlock the content. You see, when you use the CPA self-converter method, you are building trust. You are showing them, hey, look, I entered the PIN, it worked, now I have access. And that is how you get high conversion rates. So if you want to learn more about the specific settings, the user agents for iPhone, for Samsung, for Windows, go ahead and check the link in the description for the mini course. It covers everything step by step. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you want to see me do this with a $20 offer next time. See you in the next video.